Good, good. Mira, una pregunta. Santo Domingo Este.
¿Santo Domingo, perdón?
Santo Domingo Este.
Oeste.
Oeste?
Yeah.
Este is largo.
¿Para dónde?
Today, I think I'm gonna try to find a DJI store, and it's gonna be my first time. I think I gotta try to take the subway. Let's see how that go. Check out this skies, man. It's a nice sunny day out here. Oh, let's go. Let me let you guys in on a little secret. Let me cross the street towards the subway first. Actually, I'm gonna give you more than one secret today. This time around in the DR, I've been tricking the system, right? So what I've been doing is jumping different Airbnbs, and every time I would get an Airbnb, I'm staying in a different area, a different part of the city, right? And then from there, what I'm doing is I'm like venturing out into the 30 minutes to an hour outwards, just exploring different areas, and the areas keep changing. It's like Brooklyn back in the day, right? And that's giving me like a better understanding of how different parts of the areas, different people kind of live, right? And introducing me to the culture more. Well, they got everything up in this subway, man. Claro and all that. It's the expensive one I use. They do internet and cellular. Looks like a lot of electronics store. Let's go in. I've been down in here before in these subways, but I never actually took the train. I'm looking for a machine that I could buy the car, but I don't see one. So I guess I got to use these ladies right here in the booth. And not a little something, something. Alright, so I just told the lady that I wanted to just go and come back, and she was like 55 pesos. It's like, I guess 25 peso for a ride, which is like, I don't know, 25 cents. No, it's like 50 cents.
Wait, for Blue Mall or...
My bad, he busy working. Alright, it's reasonable up in here so far. Compared to some place like New York, man. But then again, this is only like a little after lunchtime. This right here, fellas, is the type of respectable looking lady that you guys should be looking for. Now the scallywags who got everything showing, they just for fun, man. You know how it goes. All right, that was cool. Not bad, right? Shoot, am I at the right stop? Damn, I gotta ask. Let me see. Oh yeah, just passed one of the train security guys. Let me just ask him real quick. All right, cool. This is the Winston Churchill station, so I got the right one, man. Yo, I just missed a little baddie. I don't even know if she spot up on the camera right there. She had a little workout thing on. Woo! A little gray workout tight shorts. Man, DBL for sure.
Pretty unprofessional.
All right, fellas, listen, man. We made it to Blue Mall. Listen, let me tell you something. Don't take the subway from there. That's quite a little walk, man. But you know, do it for the gram. Nah, I'll be doing it for the videos. It's all good, man. Listen, downtown. Yeah, that would have to be a good 30-minute walk, man. That was not a nice little something. Hey, the best part is we know she got a job.
Blue Mall is still Blue Mall.
All right, so I've been here before, and I know this girl right here behind the desk.
We got an Under Armour authorized dealer right here. Ego. Ladies are in ego with their egos.
Not a little secret, man. This is where you find the nice, classy ones. Blue Mall. Yeah. Look at this. Looking for a lady who speaks some English, most likely. Went to college, got a good job. Don't necessarily need everything from you, but might still, allow you to be a man of the house. This is why we recommend you come. A spot like these. Fellas, on a Wednesday or Thursday where there's not a lot to do, man, what I suggest you do is lunchtime and then also in the afternoon, you come to one of these cafes, you sit down, man, you listen to some music, you make up some conversation, boom, you're good. Yep, see everybody sitting there. Everybody got to pass through this little spot, man. Yeah, look, I think I just spot something.
Mira, una pregunta. You speak a little bit English? Mira, electronic store para teléfonos, no sé, un cámara, teléfonos electrónicos, posiblemente. La otra, gracias. Yeah. The classy ladies up in this one.
All right, DJI is not in here. I should have looked it up online. Let me check on the cell phones, man.
Yeah, that TV is so clear. Hola. This is Samsung. Samsung está acá. Todo Samsung Galaxy. Tiene A54. 54. 5G. Todo 5G. Otro. ¿Qué es?
S23 Ultra, S23 Plus y S23 normal.
¿El Samsung?
El teléfono 5.
Pero yo no quiero 5, yo quiero 4. Similar a que para chino es malo. Basura. Si yo necesito una normal, pero no 5G, no más nuevo. Porque el teléfono es diferente acá de Estados Unidos. ¿Me entiendes? Acá tú tienes 2 SIM.
Picked up some food from the spot upstairs by the movie theater. Got a hot dog, good price, 350, come with fries and everything. That's pesos, of course, which comes out to about what, like $5? Nah, four something. Man, when's the last time you went to a movie theater where you pay that kind of price, right? Let me see, 2, 4, 6, yes, $7. And think about it too, that kind of price is in this kind of mall, you know what I mean? Mercedes-Benz, Cartier, Louis Vuitton, the whole 9 yards is up there. So online they told me that DJI got 3 different locations, right? So I got the addresses now. Well, that's how it goes. Got to swipe the card when I enter and when I exit. That's interesting. Dang, I'm actually not sure which side. Let me go this way.
Señor, Santo Domingo Este.
¿Santo Domingo, perdón?
Santo Domingo Este.
Oeste.
Oeste?
Yes.
Este es largo.
¿Para dónde vas?
Mega Center.
Mega Center. De aquel lado.
Gracias. Gracias.
Dang, I should have used the opportunity to talk to her, but I gotta go. She had to go too. And more people out here. Look at this. That's a little something's out here though, that's for sure. Alright, so I jump off at this station, but I ain't even sure this is the right station again either, man. I ain't had no internet access down there. It's crazy. Now, supposedly I could get internet access from the Wi-Fi, but every time I try to connect to it, it just won't work at all. It's crazy. Alright, so it turns out over here is kind of like a connecting spot or something where you could connect to another route on the train line, right? And then also the main one allows you to also, I guess, connect to the teleferico, which is the little, like, you know, one with like 6 people in the car on that line over the sky that goes up and down, right? I've never been on that one either. Maybe next time I gotta try that out, but I'm not sure I'm in the right spot. I gotta go ask. Alright, so I was able to get some information, right? This little shorty standing by a map. As I'm looking at it, I start like talking in English. And she's like, I'm not sure. She started asking a guy next to her in Spanish, but then by the time we do the conversation, she ended up speaking English to me. I was like, God damn, this shorty spoke English. Anyway, I got one, bro.